The 3 best investments you need to make in 2025 transform your life and wealth. Unlock your potential. Invest in yourself, your finances, and your relationships in 2025. Hey there, friend. Before we dive into the amazing tips and strategies in this video, let's talk disclaimers. You know, the fun legal stuff we all need to hear. So here it is. Everything I share in this video is for entertainment purposes only. Think of this like the popcorn at the movies. It is meant to add to the experience, not make your life decisions for you. I am not a financial advisor, lawyer, or psychic. Though that would be cool, I am just here to share ideas, stories, and strategies that worked for others or made them laugh along the way. For example, Mike once took a financial tip from a YouTube video and thought it would be a great idea to invest in goldfish breeding. Spoiler alert, it did not pan out. But he sure learned a lot about aquariums. If something I say inspires you to make a move, be sure to double check with the experts. Financial advisors, accountants, lawyers, or maybe even a wise friend. Because while I am here to inform, inspire, and entertain, I cannot be held responsible for any big decisions you make based on this video. Whether you hit the jackpot or, like Mike, end up with a tank full of regrets, that one's on you. So, enjoy the ride, take what works for you, and always do your homework before making decisions that involve your hard-earned money or your future. Now, let's get back to the good stuff, because your journey to a better life starts now. Are you ready to make 2025 the year you transform your life? What you will learn, how to invest in yourself by upskilling, prioritizing health, and working with a coach. The smartest financial investments for 2025, from index funds to real estate. Why building a strong network and nurturing relationships is the key to success. Real-life examples, actionable tips, and relatable humor make this video a must-watch. For anyone serious about growth in 2025, want to take your journey to the next level? My self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching services are designed to help you crush your goals. Plus, join our online community and connect with like-minded achievers. Click the link below to sign up and start investing in your future today. This video is your ultimate guide to the 3 most powerful investments you can make this year in yourself, your finances, and your relationships. These are not just financial moves. They are life-changing strategies to help you grow personally, professionally, and financially. Imagine yourself sitting in a cozy modern office with charts and motivational quotes on the wall, with upbeat music playing in the background. Hey future moguls, if you are serious about making 2025 your year of growth and wealth, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about the 3 best investments to make in 2025. And no, we are not just talking about money. These investments can transform your financial future, your mindset, and your life. We will tackle the challenges you might face, and of course, I will give you actionable steps and real-life examples to make it happen. Stick around till the end, because I will also share how my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching services can help you crush these goals and join a community of go-getters just like you. Ready to invest in yourself? Let's dive in. Section 1, Invest in Yourself. Story 1, Sarah's skillful transformation. Sarah was stuck in a job she did not love, staring at the same office walls every day, wondering if this was all life had to offer. She dreamed of financial independence, but did not know where to start. One day, Sarah stumbled upon a course on graphic design while scrolling through YouTube. She hesitated, thinking, can I really learn something new at this stage in my life? But she took the plunge, investing in my online course. Fast forward a year, Sarah is now a freelance graphic designer, making twice her old salary. She works from her cozy home office, sets her own hours, and even takes Fridays off to spend time with her family. Sarah realized that investing in herself did not just change her career, it gave her life new meaning. How you can do it too. Identify a skill that is in demand and aligns with your interests. Start with platforms like Coursera, Skillshare, or my self-paced masterclasses. Dedicate just 30 minutes a day to learning. It is manageable even with a busy schedule. Put your new skills into action by freelancing or applying them to your current job. Sarah's new motto: why work 9 to 5 when I can design 9 to fabulous? Your call to action. These stories show that transforming your life is not reserved for the lucky few. It is for anyone ready to invest in themselves, their finances, and their relationships. Are you ready to take the next step? Join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, or one-on-one coaching services to turn your dreams into reality. Together, we will craft a plan that works for you. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year. The problem. Many people underestimate the power of personal growth, thinking investments are only about stocks or real estate, but without the right mindset, skills, and knowledge, you cannot maximize any opportunity. Solution 1. Focus on skill development. For example, Sarah was stuck in her 9-to-5, but after taking an online coding bootcamp, she landed a remote tech job with a 50% salary increase. Think of skills like superpowers. The more you have, the closer you get to being a superhero. Who does not want to be their own Iron Man? Here is an action step. Identify one high-demand skill in your industry and enroll in an online course. Platforms like Coursera or my masterclasses can help you level up. Solution to prioritize health and well-being. For example, Alex invested in a personal trainer and meal planning. Within 6 months, his energy levels skyrocketed, helping him focus better at work and in his side hustle. Investing in your health is like upgrading your phone's battery. You will have way more energy to handle life's apps. Here is an action step. Create a fitness plan or join a group class. It's an investment that pays dividends in productivity and happiness. Solution 3. Work with a mentor or coach. For example, Rachel joined a group coaching program to learn business strategies. She turned her side hustle into a full-time job within a year. Even Batman had Alfred. Do not try to save Gotham or your career alone. Here is an action step. Find a mentor or coach who aligns with your goals. My one-on-one coaching is perfect for this. Section 2. Invest in financial assets. Story 2. Mike's $1 million sandwich. Mike was your average guy with a big dream to retire early and travel the world. But every time he looked at his bank account, it felt like the dream was slipping away. One day, he realized that his daily $15 takeout lunch was costing him over $3,500 a year. "I am literally eating my future," he joked. Determined to change, Mike swapped takeout for homemade sandwiches and invested the savings into index funds. By the end of the year, his portfolio had grown, and he finally felt like he was on the path to financial freedom. Now, every sandwich he eats reminds him that small changes lead to big results. How you can do it too. Review your daily spending for small expenses you can cut, like takeout or unused subscriptions. Redirect those savings into high-return investments like index funds or digital assets. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track your progress and stay motivated. Mike's sandwiches may not have gourmet flair, but they come with a side of financial freedom. Your call to action. These stories prove that life transformation is not just for a select few. It is within reach for anyone who is ready to invest in their growth, their finances, and their relationships. The question is, are you ready to take that step toward the future you deserve? Join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, or one-on-one coaching services to turn your goals into a personalized action plan. Together, we will build a strategy that sets you up for success. Let's make 2025 the year you take charge and create the life you have always dreamed of. The problem: investing money feels overwhelming. The stock market, real estate, and other assets seem complicated and risky. The solutions start with index funds. For example, Mike started investing $200 a month in index funds, and within 3 years, his portfolio grew by 30%. Index funds are like slow cooking your investments, less sizzle, but oh so rewarding. Here, an action step: research index funds on platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity. Start with a manageable monthly amount. Solution to explore real estate investing. For example, Sarah bought her first rental property in 2025 after saving for 2 years. The passive income helped her leave her 9-to-5. Real estate is not just for the monopoly board, it is how you build real-world wealth. Here is an action step. Start small with real estate. Look into REITs, real estate investment trusts, if owning property feels daunting. Solution 3. Diversify with digital assets. For example, Alex invested in learning about blockchain and bought a small amount of cryptocurrency, which doubled in value within a year. Digital assets might sound futuristic, but hey, the future is already here. Here is an action step: study digital assets and invest cautiously. Only put in what you are willing to lose. Section 3. Invest in relationships. The problem: many people overlook the importance of networking and building strong relationships, which are key to personal and professional success. The solution: expand your professional network. For example, Rachel attended networking events in 2025 and connected with a business partner who helped her scale her consulting business. Your network is like Wi-Fi. The stronger it is, the faster you connect to opportunities. Here is an action step: join professional groups on LinkedIn or attend industry events to meet like-minded individuals. Solution to strengthen personal relationships. For example, Mike started dedicating Sundays to family time, which improved his work-life balance and overall happiness. Friends and family are like your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes you need to unplug and reconnect. We're an action step schedule, regular quality time with loved ones. It keeps you grounded and energized. Solution 3. Join an online community. For example, Alex joined an online mastermind group for entrepreneurs, gaining support and accountability to grow his business. Joining a community is like finding a cheat code for life. You get insider tips and motivation. Here is an action step: join my online community to connect with other goal-getters and share your journey. Your call to action: imagine yourself smiling, with upbeat music playing in the background. All your dreams for 2025 are in reach. Click on the link in the description below to get started now. So, there you have it, the 3 best investments to make in 2025: yourself, financial assets, and relationships. These investments are not just about money, they are about building a life you love. And guess what? You do not have to do it alone. My self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching services are designed to guide you every step of the way. Plus, our online community is packed with people just like you, sharing tips, wins, and encouragement. Click the link below to sign up, and let's make 2025 your best year yet. Story 3. Rachel's networking breakthrough. Rachel always thought success was about grinding alone, but she constantly felt stuck. She decided to attend a local networking event in 2025, something way outside her comfort zone. Nervous but determined, Rachel walked in with her business cards and a smile. That evening, she met a mentor who would completely change her career trajectory. With guidance and connections from her mentor, Rachel launched a thriving consulting business. She is now living her dream, working with clients she loves, and earning more than she ever imagined. How you can do it too. Join professional groups on LinkedIn or attend industry events to expand your network. Be prepared. Practice a short pitch about who you are and what you are looking for. Connect with mentors or join a community like my online coaching network for ongoing support and accountability. Rachel learned that the best connections are not just on Wi-Fi, they are face-to-face. Your call to action. These inspiring stories show that transforming your life is not just a dream. It is a goal you can achieve with the right focus and commitment. Your growth, finances, and relationships hold the key to the future you deserve. So, are you ready to take control and start building the life you have always envisioned? Join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, or one-on-one coaching services today to create a customized plan tailored to your goals. Together, we will craft a strategy that empowers you to take charge and make 2025 your breakthrough year. Let's make it happen. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone ready to level up their life. Thanks for watching. You have got this.